is a song about that. It's called, I can't remember what it's called. It's called Rolling Down the River.